I'm Jen Tackney with Team Tackney. Today I'm at our newest listing at 6031 Stanford Avenue. It is amazing. The location is adjacent to Edgar Park, where there's soccer, horseshoes, and a Boys and Girls Club for after-school care. The house itself is beautiful. We have fresh interior and exterior paint, a new roof, PEX piping, dual pane windows. It's almost 2,000 square feet, and it's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths with remodeled kitchens, bathrooms, and gorgeous hardwood floors. Come take a look.